Subtracting fractions. To subtract fractions with common denominators, subtract the numerators and write the difference over the denominator. Make sure your answer is in simplest form. Remember that subtraction can be shown both horizontally and vertically. 5/6 minus 4/6 equals 1/6. 5 minus 4 is 1, and then we keep the denominator the same. You can also write it vertically like this. Try these. Be sure to simplify all answers. 2/4 minus 1/4. 2 minus 1 is 1 over the common denominator of 4. 1/4 cannot be simplified further, so let's move on. 3/7 minus 1/7. 3 minus 1 is 2 over the denominator of 7. This cannot be simplified further. 11/12 minus 3/12. 11 minus 3 is 8 divided by 12. This can be simplified further. Let's divide the numerator and denominator by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. The answer is 2/3. 19/30 minus 13/30. So that's going to be 6 over 30. 6 divided by 6 and then 30 divided by 6 gives us 1 over 5. 1/4, 2/7, 2/3, and 1/5.
To subtract fractions with unlike denominators, rewrite the fractions as equivalent fractions with a common denominator. Then, subtract the fractions. Using the lowest common denominator is often the fastest method as it requires the least amount of simplification. Alright, so here we have 4/9 minus 3/8. So, we just find the common denominator by multiplying 9 times 8, we get 72. Then we figure out the numerators, and we subtract 27 from 32, and we get 5 over 72. Try these. Click the boxes to see working answers. Alright, so 2/5 minus 1/4. So let's do a common denominator of 20, which is just multiplying 4 and 5 together. The numerators would be 8 and 5. So 8 minus 5 gives us 3 over 20. So 3 over 20. Alright, we have 7 and 8. So that gives us a common denominator of 56. For numerators, we have 24. I just multiplied 3 times 8. And we multiply 8 by 7. So we multiply 2 by 7 and get 14. So we have 24 minus 14 gives us 10 over 56, which can be further simplified. Let's see the work here. So we end up with 10 over 56, which when divided by 2, you divide the numerator by 2 and the denominator by 2, you get 5 over 28. Finally, we have 4/5 minus 3/8. We'll do a common denominator of 40, which is 5 times 8. All right, and so 5 times 8 gives us 40, so 4 times 8 gives us 32. 8 times 5 gave us 40, so 3 times 5 gives us 15. 32 minus 15 gives us 17 over 40. So let's check our work. Yep, 17 over 40.